All right, Royals, today is the day. As promised, I am bringing you Project Ribbon in the Sky. This is an interior design series, I'm going to call it, because we are doing this entire home in phases. I am sharing with you now the open concept dining and living room area. Up on the consultation, the client stressed to me that for the time being, she needed to keep her traditional pieces, meaning the high ticket items, her table, her baker's rack, her living room, dining room areas needed to stay intact, and she simply wanted to give it a refresh, if you will. And so here I just want to share with you the pieces that will be remaining. And as you can see, she had a lovely design, but as with many designs, it's outdated. And so she wanted to give it a nice refresh. So let's begin in the dining area. And when designing, you need to understand the functionality of a space. And so this space needed to continue to house their freezer as well as a space for the family to dine. So we simply adjusted the baker's rack. We're going to adjust the table to create more symmetry in this space. Assessing everything as to what needs to stay, what's open to go, and without any further ado, I present to you Ribbon in the Sky. Taking our hue from this beautiful duo set of floral paintings. Guys, they are absolutely gorgeous, and they tell the story of this Ribbon in the Sky series. Beautiful hues of powdery blues, taupes, chocolates, creams create a nice foundation for a lovely dining room design. As you can see, the table is decked out to the nines in this Ribbon in the Sky design. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it came together beautifully. In a recent haul, I shared with you all of the pieces that I used to create this refresh, and I want to take you along and show you how each area came together seamlessly. The floral design was a DIY by yours truly, of course. Bringing some of the blue over to the baker's rack, I used the bowls and cups that came with her dinnerware set just to bounce that color all over the room, mixing it with some beautiful pieces that she already had, and it came together in a wonderful fashion. Making our way down to the dining area itself, these beautiful pieces again were discussed in a shopping haul, but I just wanted to share with you how everything came together so nicely. The dinnerware's perfect combination of the blues and creams and taupes, flanked with a nice detailed silver plate charger. It's absolutely exquisite, elegant, and at any time they can simply remove these items, add them to the baker's rack, and make this a functional dining area. This is proof that with a little strategic design and a set color scheme in mind, you too can create a beautiful, refreshing space on a dime. And guys, as you can see, all of these beautiful hues of blue have come together seamlessly to create a harmonious look in the dining area. And it was important that everything flowed beautifully because not only is this color a staple in the dining area, but we needed it to flow over into her living area. How gorgeous is this setting? But before I get into the details of what we did in this space, I want to share with you a before because it's important to see the transformation from beginning to end. So here's a nice overview, and now let's rewind and see what this space looked like before we added in that beautiful hue of blue. Again, traditional pieces that needed to remain. We're simply going to refresh with accessories. Guys, never underestimate the power of accessorizing or reaccessorizing your home to create something new and refreshing. Again, this ribbon in the sky design is absolutely gorgeous. It's a subtle sophistication. It ties in beautiful with this chocolate brown. And what's even better is that the client later decided that we're going to do some more updating along the way. So she'll be transitioning into a gray furniture piece or furniture set. And it too will be in the traditional feel and look, so it will all still flow just as beautifully in the gray foundation as it does in this chocolate foundation. But how gorgeous and calming is this space? And honestly, this has to be my favorite feature in the entire redesign. There's nothing like personalizing a space to make it feel your own. These beautiful family portraits were, of course, of the owners, and she agreed to allow me to create a beautiful wall for her and her lovely family. And it sits in her stage behind the sofa as it should, so they can all look at their beautiful pictures and gaze at the beauty that they have within their home. On this side of the wall, guys, I have these two glittered pieces that I hung together to make them seem like one piece, but they flow beautifully together. It's actually two individual canvases, and we simply flipped one on the opposite side to give it a seamless design. And those beautiful taupes and blues and grays, it flows perfectly with its ribbon in the sky theme. Underneath is a nice cozy chase lounge, and I added some beautiful pillows and throws to give it that cozy luxe feel. Again, flowing in with that ribbon in the sky sophisticated theme. And as you can see from every angle of this space, it is absolutely gorgeous. It flows seamlessly from one area into the other, and that's what you want to create in any space, whether your style is traditional, whether it's modern, whether it's glam, whether it's rustic. It does not matter. As long as your theme tells a cohesive story, you can create a beautiful design regardless of the undertone or style in mind. Well, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivational, and creativity. We would love to have you come along and be a part of this royal journey with us. As I stated, guys, this is a series, so there is more styling in this beautiful home to come, and I would love to share every bit of it with you. Click that notification bell, guys. Hit it twice so that you're always notified when I upload new content, because believe me, there's more to come. If you haven't already, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I also have an Amazon store, guys, so you can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day to your heart's content. There you will find many of these pieces along with a few others that can help you style your home beautifully for the upcoming season and beyond. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, now I know you don't think I forgot to appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. I will also link the shopping haul that is dedicated to this actual series, and there you will find all of the pieces as they are mentioned individually in that video. So I will have that linked in my description box as well. But until then, guys, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal. And until the next video, guys, have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one.